everyone! Today, I've got some exciting news from the final frontier. A SpaceX Crew Dragon capsule carrying 4 new astronauts has just docked with the International Space Station. That's right, folks. March 16, 2025 is a date to remember. Now let me break this down for you. The new crew, known as Crew 10, includes astronauts from the US, Japan, and Russia, adding a new international flavor to our space endeavors. They're here to replace 2 NASA astronauts, Butch Wilmore and Suni Williams, who've been up there since June 2024. Can you imagine spending that long in space? Originally, Wilmore and Williams were part of Boeing's first astronaut flight test. But due to technical issues with the Starliner spacecraft, their mission got a bit of an extension, waiting for a new SpaceX flight to come to the rescue. Talk about patience. So what's next for Crew 10? They'll spend a few days getting familiar with the ISS before Wilmore and Williams head back to Earth. Yep, they'll be returning in the same SpaceX capsule they arrived in. If everything goes according to plan, their departure is scheduled for no earlier than Wednesday, March 19, 2025. Weather permitting, of course. They're expected to splash down off the coast of Florida. Until then, the ISS will be bustling with 11 astronauts on board. That's a full house. The new crew launched from Kennedy Space Center's Launch Pad 39A on March 14, 2025. This team includes cosmonaut Kirill Peskov, astronauts Nicole Ayers and Anne McClain, and JAXA astronaut Takuya Onishi. So there you have it. Adventures in space, international collaboration, and a long-awaited ride home for 2 very patient astronauts. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the latest in space news. Catch you later!